Have you ever seen funny words or expressions in English, but you couldn't understand what they meant? It's necessary to study them in context. I'm here to help. I'm John, and today we're going to study interesting vocabulary in English. Helicopter parent. Tom and Kathy are in a local park. They're watching their children play. Kathy, do you think we should go up there? Lucy seems to be having trouble climbing. Tom, we need to let her try. She can't learn if we always intervene. I guess you're right. I can't help but worry, though. She needs to explore life and grow. She should be independent. You're right. I don't want her to rely on me. I don't want to be known as one of those helicopter parents. It's good to be concerned, Tom, but remember, kids need to learn on their own. Quiz time! What does helicopter parent mean? A parent who enjoys flying, doesn't pay attention to their child, always monitors their child, wants their child to become a pilot. Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's C. A parent who always monitors their child. Teaching moment. A helicopter parent is a term used to describe parents who are too protective or involved in their child's life, often to the point of limiting a child's development. This term originated from the idea of a parent flying over their child like a helicopter, ready to be there and help at any moment. Examples. Mary's parents were always at school, talking to her teachers and checking her grades. Her friends knew they were helicopter parents. Being a helicopter parent may seem like you're taking good care of your child, but it can actually limit their growth towards independence. Vocabulary extras. Rewatch the video to catch the vocabulary. Intervene. Become involved in a situation in order to help. I guess you're right. Maybe you're right. Rely on. Depend on. Concerned. Worried. Thanks for watching Everything English with John. Please like, share, and subscribe. For more information or private classes, please visit my site, everythingenglishwithjohn.com.